Imagine a world where artificial intelligence takes on a whole new level of sophistication. This AI deepfake technology is pushing boundaries like never before, allowing us to control facial expressions and motions with incredible precision. It's mind-blowing to witness the seamless blend of human-like movements and digital manipulation. With this cutting-edge technology, we can now create hyper-realistic videos that can mimic any expression or gesture with astonishing accuracy. From subtle smiles to intense frowns, the level of detail is truly remarkable. This opens up a world of possibilities for filmmakers, content creators, and even researchers looking to explore the realms of visual storytelling in ways we never thought possible. The ability to manipulate facial expressions and motions with such precision has the potential to revolutionize industries like entertainment, advertising, and even education. Imagine being able to bring historical figures back to life in a way that feels incredibly authentic, or creating personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with audiences on a whole new level. But with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical implications of this technology are vast and complex. As we delve deeper into the realm of AI deepfakes, it becomes crucial to establish guidelines and regulations to ensure that this powerful tool is used responsibly and ethically. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI deepfake technology can achieve, one thing is certain: the future of visual storytelling is evolving at a rapid pace. The ability to control expressions and motions with such precision opens up a world of creative possibilities that were once unimaginable. It's a thrilling time to be at the forefront of this technological revolution, where the line between reality and fiction continues to blur in ways we never thought possible.